Ever stared at a slow-moving skincare product in your med spa and had a sinking feeling that made you say, I should have sold this months ago? How much money is tied up in this? Are they even going to sell before they're expired? Then you look, and half of them are already expired. And you're thinking, I wish I could just return all of this inventory. Most spa owners think they're stuck with this dead weight, but there's a smarter way to handle this. Here's what most owners completely overlook. Identify the bestsellers. Start with the basics. What is actually driving revenue? Variety doesn't automatically equal sales. A small set of core products can bring in 80% of revenue. So pull your sales data. Ask yourself, what product sold consistently over the last 6 to 12 months? Which one barely moved or ever took off? How much cash is tied up in those slow movers? Once you know your bestsellers, you could scale down the rest. Track inventory. Inventory turnover is key. Get a clear picture of how fast your products are moving. Inventory turnover isn't bookkeeping. It is financial insight. Here's a simple way to check. Take your cost of goods over 12 months and divide it by your average inventory by that same period. A low turnover rate is a warning sign. Products are sitting too long and costing you way too much money. So if products have not moved in 60 to 90 days, you got to take action. Slow movers don't have to be a loss. The key is strategy, not slashing prices. Bundle products. Pair small moisturizer with a best-selling sunscreen. Do staff initiative. Seasonal kit. Create a theme promotion. These taxes free up cash without hurting your margin. Negotiate with vendors. You may think vendors hold all the power. No. You actually have leverage. Smart negotiations are CFO moves. Ask for small minimum orders, flexible return policies, consignment options. Vendors want long-term relationships. Show them how smaller orders can help you succeed. Build financial systems that work for you. Make sure your systems are connected. Your POS must talk to your accounting software. When your POS talks to your accounting software, you instantly see how much inventory is moving, how much cash is being tied up, when to reorder and when not to. These steps alone can save you money and protect your bottom line. But the true transformation is when you work with someone that understands the health and wellness industry. At Healthy Bodies of Finance, we know the unique challenges your business is facing. Inventory is just not a product on a shelf. It helps with your profitability. If you want to see exactly how to turn slow movers into profit without cutting margins or overworking your team, click the link and book a call. This step is the difference between keeping your spa running and building a truly profitable, sustainable business. And if you want weekly, grounded, straight to the point financial advice for your med spa or health and wellness business, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for real strategies.